Hey you guys, let's do a little unboxing of this really cool speed camera that is so amazing. This is what it looks like, and it comes with a little booklet for a manual and all the instructions on how to use it. And here is our little camera. This is what it looks like, and it's so amazing. You can also attach this to a selfie stick, and you can use this underwater. It is waterproof, which is really cool. Let me show you all the accessories that it comes with. Here is a little attachment that you can buckle this to your hand and to the camera. We have the little piece that attaches to the stick and all the little wiring. Also comes with a little remote, and it has a USB charging cable. It even comes with another protective case and a charger for it. So if you're looking for the perfect camera that has long-lasting battery, very easy to use, waterproof, anti-shake, high resolution photos, I highly recommend that you get this one.